Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So for today's video, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I was not expecting things from others to give me something, but I have to flex the thing that she gave me from Angeli Shelo Baharo. Alright. So ito ho guys, binigyan pa ko ng so cute! At saka meron pang I love you. At meron siyang pa-card. Look how the detailed of the card. Yes, meron siyang pa-ganyan. And, tiyarang, meron siyang message sa ako guys. But actually, hindi talaga ako nag-expect of something from my students and even from my former students because masakit kung umaasa ka, diba? So now, just sharing with you that I was being instructed as gather the ECLG officers to have a program just like for Valentine's Day at saka Teacher's Day, whatever it is na my program. I was being instructed before, but I never do that because I want to stop the cycle of the culture of having a program, because I am thinking that if I will do that, I consider those kids, those mga family na walang maibili, oo, na something para sa kanilang mga teachers. I am thinking guys na kapag makikita ng mga kabataan na maupay sipuan, nakapagbigay kay ma'am ng something, and I don't want to feel the kids na parang ano sila na may pasikuan, nagbibigay. Si mama kasi hindi ako binigyan. So I have to stop that way. Kasi alam ko kung ano ang meron tayo ngayon. Napaka-crisis. Even me, I experience the crisis. Opo. So I have to stop of thinking na something like if we have that, don't get me wrong don't get me wrong, because I saw that my friends posted already about their pictures of having a lot of something, this one, a lot of things that they get from their students, the former student or whatever. So but for me guys, I have to stop because alam ko kasi na mga kabataan, mag-request sila na magbili ng ganyan. Although, pwede rin na magbigay ng cards, magbigay ng fresh flowers. But iba kasi yung may mga bata kasi na mag-demand na bumili ng ganito, magbili ng ganyan. Oo. So I have to stop those things kasi there are many ways of showing appreciation to the teachers. In what way? And this is not expensive by just telling, hi ma'am, happy Valentine's Day, just like them. Sila, pumunta sila dito sa akin na walang dala. At sinabihan ng ako ng happy Valentine's Day ma'am. Pumunta lang sila sa akin. Oo. Gusto ko yung ganon, yung genuine ba? Yung genuine na pag-greet. And then, just during lunch break, I was taking a nap. I took a nap for at least may ako half hour na pagnanap. Opo. Kasi tini-treasure ko yung pagnanap kasi super stressing ang half day, super stressing ang deal ng mga kabataan. So while I was sleeping, then there is somebody who gave me this. Yes, and I never ask, I never what do you call that, expect, hindi ko na-expect na may magbibigay ng ganito, and this is so, I believe it's a genuine act it's a genuine kind of act of showing your appreciation. And even you are texting or chatting like, mom, happy Valentine's Day, kumusta, how are you, something like that, it's okay for me. All right, so there are lots of ways, all right? There are lots of ways showing appreciation to your teachers. Valentine's Day, in a way, Valentine's Day is not just for teachers. It is for the parents because it's a heart's day, and every human being has hearts. Yes, and everyone deserves to be celebrated. Even your parents, you can give card, you can celebrate, you can greet with your parents. That's just for the couple of, in a relationship. It's not like that. But so what I'm trying to say is that I don't want to have a program, something like that. Just, I have to stop that cycle, the culture of having a program, of giving the appreciation to the teachers or something like that. Now, don't get me wrong, it's okay. Walang problema dyan, but for me, I have to stop that. It is because I give consideration to the kids kasi hindi naman lahat ng mga kabataan ay makapagbili. And they're feeling, alam ko yung feeling na gusto mong magbigay pero hindi ka makapagbigay. So, iba kasi yung kanaang, basta, you know what I mean? So, I just told my children that if you give or show your appreciation to your teachers, you can follow the simple instructions, or like for example, minimize your voice, and it is already a pleasure to our heart. That's for me, it's enough. For me, it's enough. Like for example, do not be naughty, hindi magpapasaway. For me, it's enough na showing your kindness to your teachers. And actually, ginawa ko yun kasi gusto ko na mag-initiate sila ng una na, ma'am, kailan ba yung kuan? May nagtanong sa akin na, ma'am, kailan ba yung kuan? Hindi ako nagmi-mention ng may program tayo. Hindi ako nagmi-mention kasi ayokong mapilitan sila. Kasi kapag may program, parang mapilitan yung bata. Just don't get me wrong, okay? So, parang feeling ko kasi napilitan yung bata. Kasi nasabi ko sa kanila, children, if you are just following the simple instructions like do not be noisy, do not be naughty, it's okay. It's more valuable. It's more valuable than of what do you call that, writing of sorry mom, and it's not really meaningful to them. It's not from the heart talaga. I want to receive. I want to receive a something, not something by force. It is because kasi na-program dyan. I have to stop that cycle. I would not say that don't follow me. I would not say that don't follow me. I just want to stop the cycle because I know the crisis. I know that the situation right now, it's so crisis. Even I experienced that. Do you think hindi mo na-experience yan? Na-experience natin yan lahat na napaka-kuan talaga, napaka-krisis ng panahon ngayon. Opo. Napaka-krisis ng panahon ngayon. Oo. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang na, for example, kung ano yung instruction ng teachers na makapagbibigay ng happiness, just follow. And it gives us true happiness. And if you wish to give, to greet, then yes, it's good. If you don't have, then it's okay. No? It's okay ra jud siya. So kagaya ng dalawang estudyante ko kanina na even if what do you call that, they are already grade 9 or grade 8 ba? Yeah, maybe grade 8 na sila. So hindi ako nag-expect talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect something from my kids by just showing me kindness, of showing me kanaang smiling face, good morning mom. It makes me happy yung nakita mo na good morning mom. It's okay. It's more valuable than kanaang magkitain mo tapos para lang wala. Meron ako na-experience niyan. Opo. Meron ako na-experience niyan na magkitain mo na para lang wala. No. So yeah, thank you so much. I-flex ko yung tawag nito, i-flex ko yung gawa ni Angeli Shelo, and she never failed to give me a card. And just last year, meron siyang last year nagbigay siya sa akin, meron akong picture, nagbigay siya sa akin last year ng ganito gihapon. And now meron na siyang I love you. And actually nasa isip ko na she can afford to buy this one or to do this. It is because she is so thrifty. So sa time nila yun, meron kaming coin bank na project at siya lang ang may 200 na na naipon. Mm-mm. Hindi siya masyadong kumakain. Opo. Siya kasi ang taong marunong mag-ipon. May pinag-iipunan siya. Na maka-afford siya, ani. I know maka-afford siya. It is because she knows how to value money. Oo. Nag ano yan, nag-ipon siya. At nag-stop lang ako ng project ng Coin Bank. It is because sa time nila, may bata rin na kanang kiriwan o kamot kanabang mangawat ba. May bata na ganyan, so nag-stop na ako kay mayroong umiiyak na ginkawatan, even si Angeli Shelo ginkawatan siya, but I believe na kuan siya kana marunong siyang mag-ipon. She's saving money for something, and I salute to the mother, the parents of Angeli, to Angel, oo, sa mama ni Angeli, si Angel Baharo. Congratulations, you raised your kids so well. So yun, happy Valentine's Day to all, like the parents, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. Mwah.